It's officially been 48 hours since I started my drop servicing business, and the results so far have been pretty interesting. I got this idea after watching Liam James K video where he explained the whole drop servicing business model and how he made $8,000 in 30 days. And if you don't know what drop servicing is, it's essentially being an online contractor. You sell a logo design for 200 bucks, then you go get a freelancer to do the work for 100 bucks and pocket the difference as the business owner. But today I'm gonna be showing you my version and my results after 2 days to see if we're gonna be making it rain or if it's gonna be a flop. First, I'll go over my store, the winning service, expected profits, and the results of my first $50 in ad spend on Bing ads. Okay, so here's my site. It's a book cover design service similar to Liam James K, but I've replaced all the images and improved the copywriting throughout the site. And this is my headline for the site: get a brilliant book cover in 7 days without breaking the bank. Now, your headline is one of the most important components of your drop servicing site, and you want to spend extra time here because it's the first impression your customers will be getting. Similar to, let's say if you meet someone, right, and you're talking, but you notice they stink, right? And now they could be a good person and everything, but you know something isn't right. So this is the same thing that your customers will think when they come to your site. So make sure you spend an extra time on your headline.
Message.
And the rest of the site is the essentials. So first I'll call out my target audience. So I say, are you an aspiring author that's ready to launch your book, but you don't want to break the bank for a book cover, right? Then I have a testimonial, why you should work with me, portfolio. So I show book covers that this freelancer has done in the past right here. Next is how to order, just clearly laying out how the process will work, more testimonials, and then I get to my pricing. So one thing about the pricing that I'm offering that's a little bit different is I have buy now, pay later, right? So they can get their cover in the first 7 days, but they're only paying, I believe Klarna is like 4 equal payments interest free. So it's an extra incentive to get them to buy from me. I chose book cover designs as Liam already proved it was a winning niche. And I also looked at how popular that service is online. So custom book covers, that keyword gets over 30,000 unique searches every single month, and it has low competition. Now, if we can get the right offer in front of these people looking for this service, we can get this to work. And there's also a ton of freelancers on Fiverr that have plenty of orders in their queue, which means people are actively buying this service every single day. As far as pricing, I have my standard package set at $200, which roughly splits the revenue 3 ways. It's essentially $60 for the freelancer, $60 for advertising costs, and $60 for profit to me. And technically that's $180, but I am running a 10% off summer sale to add a little bit more urgency to get the customer to make the purchase. And here are the results from spending $50 in ad spend on Bing ads. I spent a total of $50.71 for 44 clicks, which averages $1.15 per click, and no sales. But I know exactly why. I'm targeting keywords like custom book cover design, book cover design service, buy book covers, things like that that will attract my target audience. But I launched this campaign at like 4 a.m. I was super tired and I forgot to add my negative keyword list. Now, negative keywords are keywords that you're specifically saying, if they type this in, I don't want my ads to show. Now, 40 out of the 44 clicks from Bing ads had the word free in it. So people that are typing in free book cover design aren't looking to buy anything. So they probably got to my site, saw the pricing, and left immediately. Now, if you want to see me optimize this campaign by adding that negative keyword list and turning a profit with this drop servicing business, you want to make sure you subscribe to the channel and don't miss part 2 of this challenge.